Number one face mask is the Glam Glow of Hollywood Power Mud Dual Cleanser Treatment. I would highly recommend this green one if you have oily skin, if your skin tends to break out a lot. For a deeper cleanse, I would highly go with the green one to use as a face mask. My next two favorite products are my favorite foundations that I've used in 2014. One is the Chanel Perfector Luminaire. My color is 154 Ombre. This has SPF 10 in it. It's long wear, flawless fluid makeup. It works so good. I love this foundation. I'm actually wearing it right now, as you can see, as to why my skin looks so flawless. But I also use Makeup Forever. This one's a little bit heavier, so if you're looking for like a very full, heavy look, it's called HD High Definition Foundation. It works really well too. I tend to wear this usually, you know, at night when I go out. It's heavier and it gives you more of like a nice, very flawless look. And this one I feel like gives you the same flawless look, but it looks more natural to me. But both of these products are really well. I'm not sure what color I got in this foundation, but if you're interested, leave a comment below and I will let you know what color this foundation is. Speaking of foundation, you know, you always need like a foundation brush to apply your foundation on, and my favorite brush to apply my foundation on is the Bare Minerals Perfecting Face brush. As you can see, there's like a little hole right here where you can squirt your foundation in, and then you just rub it onto your skin, which gives it a nice smooth look. It goes on evenly. You don't have to worry about it looking uneven. This face brush is so amazing. I did a review on this brush and you can check it out by clicking this video right here to get a more in-depth review on this foundation brush. Also, my other two favorite products that I used in 2014 is lip gloss. I really love lip gloss. This one has like a shimmer pink look that I got from Sephora, and it's called Gloss Memoir Glossy Gloss. This one is L'Oreal 154 Watermelon Crush. It's like a hot pink, but it goes on like a very high gloss look. This one is the Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is a dip brown pomade, dark brown. It's like a ink, not ink, but it's, I mean, it looks like ink. It's eyebrow. It's for your eyebrows. You take an eyebrow brush, you dip it in, and you apply it to your eyebrow, which gives it a very nice, dark, enhanced look. I'm also wearing this right now too, and I love it. It just gives me nice eyebrows to make it look very natural. Instead of drawing it in, I really like to use this Anastasia. It's called, again, Anastasia Dip Brown. It's in this little tube, and this has lasted me so long. I mean, if you can see how much I have, and I practically use it every day, but I've had it for a while. So a little goes a long way. My next last product review is the Tattoo Liner. This is eyeliner that you put on your eyes. I'm also wearing this right now. It gives you like a nice dark look. It's long lasting. It's easy to apply and put on your eyes. I really, really love this eyeliner, and I've tried so many different eyeliners to get like a dark, enhanced, long-lasting look, and I have found that the Tattoo Liner to be like my #1 favorite eyeliner to use. It works really, really well. If you guys have products that you use a lot in 2014 that you don't mind sharing, leave a comment below and let me know what you guys use. I would love to try different products. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.